automatic supplying of intermediate product to production lines is now a fact. DTA The Smart Move presents our fully electric AGV, a global forefront leader project in smart mobility with 100 meters of continuous outdoor trajectory, operating in all weather conditions of rain, wind, and sunlight, on an industrial site combining ground irregularities with a navigation system surrounded by heavy vehicle traffic. Our AGVs transfer tons of stainless steel coils at the speed of 1 meter per second thanks to their SLAM natural navigation AI system, along with the most technologically advanced system of artificial vision and lasers, which provide the greatest flexibility and safety. Our latest solution system, with an operational transfer capacity of 90 coils and 108 kilometers traveled daily, 365 days per year, propelled by its automatic battery switching, 100% wireless hyperconnectivity, and fully IoT for traffic light management. Automatic door access to industrial plants, vehicle-to-vehicle communication, and full integration with warehouse management system and manufacturing execution process. The solution could integrate a customized interface app designed for operators to interact with the vehicles and access to their information status in real time, including location,